Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about juvenile delinquency and social media. Juvenile delinquency refers to any criminal activity by any child who is below 18 years of age. It is a collection of behavior that is not socially acceptable and may have a legal implication. As a result of some sort of neglect during childhood or some weak internal control, children may engage in such aberrant behavior. Now, at the age of adolescence, it is important to understand that a child is very vulnerable. Person is beyond childhood but is not yet an adult, so he is exposed to all kinds of new things happening inside and outside of his body. Now, juvenile delinquency includes sometimes drug abuse or attack between students, which is also referred as bullying in school. Since technological developments have been very rapid during this age, and the development of technology and very fast paced activities happening on social media, everything is on our fingertips. Students are exposed to variety of triggers for their emotions. Excuse me. What is going to happen in future? What is going to happen inside their minds? They are sometimes not aware and may fall prey to some sort of bad company. This is usually with teenagers who fail to undergo the processes of development of soul both in adolescence and in childhood. In childhood, it is a parent's responsibility to instill that feeling of security and control in a child. So, psychologically speaking, it is a manifestation of unresolved conflicts of both childhood as well as adolescence. It is often found that there is a trauma in the past, some kind of rough and unpleasant environment, and also some kind of economic conditions that may make a child feel inferior, and he tries to find power and control in a group. Now, a best way to deal with this is that teens must regulate their emotions and also engage in some positive, healthy self talk. So, this is by just translating some negative statements into positive ones.